I can help you to save up to 50% off on your GoDaddy purchase, no matter if you are going to buy hosting or domain. So firstly, click on the given link in the description. After that, you will land on this page. And here you will find all the coupon codes of GoDaddy, like for GoDaddy domain, renewal or hosting. The procedure of applying the promo code is same. So for now, I am going to show you how to apply domain coupon code. Then scroll down and click on this button. Then this button will redirect you to the official website of GoDaddy. And here you can search your desired domain. Once you find one, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. And on the checkout page, here you can apply your promo code. So the promo code is already copied by using that special button. You just have to paste here. Any coupon code or offers change from time to time. That's why we have kept them blurred in the video. Then hit apply. And here you go, your coupon code has been successfully applied and the amount has instantly decreased. If these coupons help you to save some money, then make sure to like to the video, and if you want more legitimate and exclusive promo codes, then make sure to subscribe to the channel.